Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI, but not just in a cool, futuristic way. We're talking about how this tech can actually level up your business today. We're going to break down some barriers, simplify the complexities, and give you actionable insights. Think of it like this. AI is no longer a luxury, it's becoming essential. So whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, stick around to find out how to integrate AI into your business strategy. Trust me, you don't want to be left behind in this tech revolution. But first, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. Let's talk customer service, a cornerstone of any successful business. Imagine a team that works 24/7, never takes a break. That's the power of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools handle massive customer queries, from FAQs to basic issues. This frees up human agents for complex tasks requiring empathy. It's about creating a seamless and personalized experience. AI analyzes data, understands preferences, and tailors interactions. Think faster response times and increased customer satisfaction. That's the power of AI in customer service. Data is king, right? But making sense of mountains of data can feel overwhelming. This is where AI steps in, acting like your very own data scientist. AI-powered tools process massive data sets at lightning speed, uncovering hidden patterns. Imagine making data-driven decisions with confidence, backed by real-time insights. No more guessing games, just clear, actionable information to drive your business forward. Marketing in today's world is all about personalization. Gone are the days of generic campaigns. Customers crave tailored experiences, and AI is the key to delivering just that. Imagine your marketing campaigns could predict customer needs before they even arise. That's the power of AI-driven personalization. AI algorithms analyze customer data, from browsing history to purchase patterns, to create detailed customer profiles. This allows you to target the right people with the right message at the right time. No more wasted ad spend or irrelevant content. Instead, you're delivering personalized recommendations and offers that resonate with each individual customer. The result? Higher engagement, increased conversion rates, and ultimately, a stronger brand-customer relationship. We've all got those repetitive, time-consuming tasks that bog us down. But what if you could delegate those tasks to tireless digital workers? That's where AI-powered automation comes in. Think about tasks like data entry, invoice processing, or scheduling appointments. AI can handle these tasks with speed and accuracy, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic and creative work. But it's not just about eliminating tedious tasks. It's about optimizing your entire workflow. AI can identify bottlenecks, streamline processes, and improve overall efficiency. This means faster turnaround times, reduced costs, and a more productive workforce. It's like having an army of digital assistants working behind the scenes to keep your business running smoothly. In today's fast-paced business landscape, innovation is key to staying ahead of the curve. And guess what? AI can be your secret weapon in product development. AI can analyze massive datasets of customer feedback, market trends, and competitor analysis to identify opportunities for new products and services. It's like having a supercharged research and development team at your fingertips. But it goes beyond just generating ideas. AI can also help you refine your designs, optimize product features, and even personalize user experiences. Imagine creating products that are perfectly tailored to your target audience's needs and preferences. With AI, you're not just building products, you're crafting solutions that solve real problems and deliver exceptional value to your customers. So, there you have it. We've explored how AI can revolutionize your customer service, data analysis, marketing strategies, task automation, and even product development. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that you can implement today to unlock unprecedented growth and efficiency in your business. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on leveraging technology for business success. See you next time. For more information about AI and AI marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.